Hi everyone, welcome to our module 3 or week 3. So in this week, we will focus on the mechanics of the style and the APA citations practice. So for your assistance, I have put up a mock job interview questions and tips for a successful interview. That is a YouTube video where you are required to watch the video to have a better understanding of what is a mock interview and what are you gonna incorporate into your final project. And the second important thing is the mechanics of style. So let's take a look on just a little bit on the mechanics of the style. What is the mechanics of style? The mechanics of style is important for an academic writing. It's a kind of nuts and bolts. So you are required, whenever you are writing for academic purposes, you are required to focus on the capitalizations, the words, the spellings, the grammars, the abbreviations, and all the statistics in text. So I would like you to read the chapter number 4 from the APA manual and watch the video, and then follow the rules and guidelines when you will be writing your final project paper. And the final thing is, in this week, we are going to do a quiz. After reading the chapter and watching the video, you are supposed to complete the quiz and then submit it here on the Moodle. And the second thing is that for your APA citations practice, I have attached a paragraph with a list of references below. All you need is to replace the bracketed letter and insert the correct citations where indicated. The citations are given down, okay, at the bottom of the paper. Making sure to correctly format citations as per APA style. And then after that, you need to submit your assignment after making the corrections. So if you have any other questions and if you have any other concerns, feel free to call me or you can email me. I am here to help you out anytime. Thank you.